Hey, it's Eddie. Today I'm gonna talk about porn addiction. Did you know that over 40 million Americans watch porn regularly? That number is huge. It's time to break free porn addiction. Quitting a porn habit may seem daunting. You probably declared one last time, numerous times, only to find yourself back where you started. Or you probably say, I'm 2 months clean from porn and masturbation. I feel great. But few months later, you return to watch porn, recognizing that you want to quit watching porn is crucial, especially when you see the habit as toxic to your mind. My experience with pornography started as an occasional glance at a porn cartoon magazine. I vividly remember my first exposure to pornography through adult cartoon magazine. It was 1997 when I was 14 years old and was in high school in Peru. As you know, if you're over 40, before the internet was popular, back then magazines were one of the main ways people got adult content. But little by little, it became a daily ritual. Looking at a page here or another page there, I felt incredible strong emotion about what I saw. But I couldn't distinguish between good and bad. I simply became more and more and more immersed. For me, it started with adult cartoon magazine way before the internet was everywhere. But now it's so different. You can find porn in seconds on your phone, and most of it's free. It's way more accessible now than it ever was. For that reason, step number one, you must block porn site. Install porn blocking. There are a number of porn blockers you can use to prevent you from accessing pornographic content in the future. It's easy to access porn on the internet. Listen, if you don't block porn sites, then it will make it difficult for you to quit porn addiction. Step number two, write down your why. If it's messing your mind, your focus, your relationship, put it in writing. And when the urge hits, read that list out loud like this. I'm free from porn. I feel great. I feel happy. Remind yourself who you are becoming. Step number three, think of a healthy distraction. When the urge to watch porn hits again, replace it for something positive. Take dance classes like salsa, bachata, or country, or tango. Practice a sport you like. I quit porn for soccer. Soccer took over my mind, so I had no more room for porn. Throw yourself into something that matters to you. Find your passion. This is my advice to you. This is what I learned, and I'm passing it to you. Porn addiction is silently destroying life, and you're not invisible, and your struggle is real. In the description, you will find a powerful program run by experts who have helped people just like you. Recovery is possible, and it starts with one step. Drop a comment if you made it this far. If you got value, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time.